Hello, hi everyone. So I have this Logitech keyboard which is a K400 Plus, and I lost the dongle of it. And basically I was able to find another dongle. It's an other Logitech, and this is not connected to anything yet. If I plug it in, I make sure that my keyboard it's on, and if I press the start button, nothing happens. So we will try to pair in today's video.
So the most simplest thing is to open up your browser, whatever you use, and try to search for Logitech Unifying Software. That is which helps you to connect your dongle. Then most probably is the best to connect to your official site, and from the official site you will have a download or download now. Once I have downloaded, and it's a pretty straightforward installation, click yes and next, probably that's it. And once you are there, it's very crucial that you have to check it is on or off your keyboard, and basically that will do the linking with Bluetooth or whatever frequency it is using, and then it is asking you to type in a name of that device. But I made a mistake here, and I was typing on my keyboard, and actually it shouldn't be typed from the wireless keyboard, from the Logitech keyboard itself. It is done. If it's working, then hit yes, next, and finish, and all set. And then after this, your keyboard or your any other Logitech device would be connected.
That's simple.
And if you think this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and maybe subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below. I'm curious if you was able to manage your device. Thank you very much. I wish you a great day.